Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to write a program and see to count the total number of words in a string. So let's say if you are providing input like this, let's say, input is, Java, right? So output should be 1. Okay. And if the input is Java Ashram, output should be 2. Okay, if the so on like Java Ashram Java, then the output will be 3. So we'll see the different ways to write a program uh, to get this result, to count the total number of words, okay, in a string, okay, after taking an input. So let's see this example. Okay, so here if you see, I'm just putting, please enter the string. So using the scanner class, we are trying to get the input from the keyboard, right? Using the system.in. So scanner will create the object of a scanner using the new, and in parameter we are passing system.in to get the input. So it will ask from us to provide the input from the keyboard. And thereafter, this is the next line where it will actually get that input from that line and it will put into this S object. And thereafter, if you see, like suppose I am putting object Java Ashram. Okay, so what I am doing, first I am trimming whatever the space, in between, either, the left or the right before Java or after M. Okay, it will trim, and I am trying to split it over, okay, split it over with a space segregation splitter, okay, and I'm trying to store into the string of array. So if you see here, using the split, I'm trying to I'm trying to split this string into the words and putting into the string array. So the first pocket string, words 0 will have Java, words 1 will have Ashram, and thereafter using the string method length, we are counting the total number of length. So it will provide you the 2. Since pocket 0 it's a Java, and pocket 1 it's a Ashram. And if you run this program, okay, it's asking for enter the string, right? Then let's putting I am Java, right? So you see it's returning the 1, right? And let's see, run it again. Okay, and I am putting over here Java Ashram Java again. So it's 3, right? So you got it, how it's, how we are using the split method. We are splitting with space segregation and putting into the string array, and thereafter, using the string method, we are counting the total number of length of that array. So it will return you the total number of words. So this is the one method, right? So what could be the another method? Let's see that. So it's a traditional method that, it's a plan that we have already learned in C or C++ language. So nothing I'm doing new. So enter the string using the scanner and the SC. Next line, I'm trying to take the input from the keyboard and putting into the S. Okay, and thereafter, just is trying to here iterate over each character, right? So in the string, what we are trying to do over here, if you see, this is the string, right? So what will you do? We'll first take the count. Let's say the count is 10, right? So the index starts from 0. So I'm just putting -1, right? So it will, the length of the 10 will be there, right? So we'll start, trying to iterate over here. So I'm just trying to find out, is there any space that is there? And after that, +1 means after next, the next character of the space, is there any another space? If another space is not there, then I'm considering that's a word, right? So let's say example, I'm just putting Java Ashram. So first letter is J, right? So it will iterate J. So S character is equal to blank. No, it will go, again, it will iterate. Now it's come at this position. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4th position. fourth position is the space. So it will come here, S dot character at 4 space yes true. Then what it will do? It will check S dot character at I plus 1 means this is this position not equal to blank, but yeah, it's the A, right? Correct. So both the conditions are getting true. So it will come over here and it will count plus plus. It means there is a one character we have already found and the next character is there, right? So it will come over again and iterate. And this is how you can, get the total number of words. So this is another way, traditional way to count. Okay. And if you want to count using the length method, so that's the easy one. You are using the inbuilt library, right? So, that's all guys for this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, please, like, share and subscribe the channels and place the comment. Thank you.